no, you do something wrong, and you breaking rules. That's why. So what is point for talk? You want to back, so you will not back because you're breaking rules. You
No,
know.
I am.
If
You
you want
see
to
my
get
logs.
second, you can.
You go
No,
check up
listen,
the
everybody,
logs.
hang on one second.
Okay.
I told you could come back the next time we hold applications. That's tomorrow. You can come back tomorrow.
So
Try
why
again
do?
and complete
No,
your training
listen to
again.
me. Okay,
No, no, you listen to me. I'm not bringing you back in today.
Okay, you don't
sitting here
get me
arguing
back
with me
any
is not
day.
gonna-
Okay, I'm
So
okay
then
with
why
it.
are we still talking?
No, I'm
So
talking
why are we still
because
here talking?
I have been proven wrong over here,
Listen.
and I am not wrong.
What's point of talk? What's point of talk?
The point of talk is Levi is telling me I did some minor mistakes. Okay,
Yeah.
and
So
These are not
okay.
minor mistakes. These are not minor mistakes. These are strikeable offenses for FIB.
Okay,
Listen,
tell me what
You're
did I
lucky
do? Wait,
you
wait,
didn't
wait,
do-
wait, wait, wait.
you
What? Okay,
picked up
Nova.
people with guns out.
Nova
No,
reviewed my
listen.
videos.
No,
Okay,
listen.
Nova is a god.
Nova reviewed your
Yeah.
videos.
Listen, guy in
Yeah,
the
I
blue
don't think
shirt.
so, man.
Let me talk, Levi, 1 minute. If Levi kicked you, the Levi is experienced agent. He have high rank too, and if he kicked you, I'm pretty sure he have right reason to kick you. So you cannot
I
come
have
there.
no
You
reason
cannot come
to.
there and tell him to you
Okay.
got kicked by wrong, bro. You know, you
Okay, I'm
understand?
just telling you that he isn't letting me talk. He's just getting on with charges at me that are not so major. And after that, he just fired me, and I don't have anything to talk. Don't I have the right to speak
I let you
anything?
talk for over 15 minutes up
Okay,
there.
okay, that wasn't 15 minutes, Levi. Please. Okay.
Okay, listen, let me explain to you right now. I reviewed your footage. With your gun out, you
Okay.
walked up to a man without
Okay.
engaging in any roleplay, used your organization powers, checked for his ID without asking for it, with your gun out, and then you engaged roleplay as if he was the man that you were looking for. Then you put cuffs on him with your gun out, and then you dragged him with your gun out, and then you put him in the car.
So
with
everybody
your gun
does
out,
that
without
with your
telling him that you're
their
putting
gun
him
out.
in the car.
Stark, listen me. Listen me.
Stop, just listen to one person, please.
Fucked up. And that's okay. You made a mistake. You're a human being. Come back tomorrow and try again.
So you are letting me out for that one footage?
Stark, 1 minute. I will explain you. The people who is not in FIB, they know to when you are joining in FIB, they have to RP every their moves. For example, if they will cuff you, they have to say for them. If they will put someone who will get arrested, they have to play. I mean, you have to do your role play by your voice, everything when you are organization.
Yeah, I do that.
That was just the first video, and then the second video.
Tell me.
Fellow agents with your gun out in the middle of a gunfight, and you were picking up people's weapons in the middle of a gunfight.
Yeah, because I need ammunition. If I don't have ammo, what will I do? Punch them?
Oh my god!
It doesn't fucking work like that, dude.
Okay, so you don't have ammo, you run up and
get out of my garage.
punching people? What the hell?
You're making a fool of yourself.
Too much mistakes, and I'm sure
You're making
the
a
agent
fool of yourself, dude.
and the agent who trained you.
Who covered me up?
The thing is, Stark, the mistake you made, literally everybody, even people from gangs know that shit.
Who is dragging me? I'm... What the hell?
Yeah, you're going out, that's fine.
Yeah, so I'm going out. You can uncuff me for that. No need to drag me out.
You're making too much of a big...
Yeah, you can uncuff me. I was leaving when you cuffed me. What the fuck? Oh, nice. With these people in... okay, I don't need to come back tomorrow. I know how FIB is. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, go.
Okay.
We don't need you.
Yeah, okay.
If you don't match the requirements, we don't need you.
No issues. Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Go to
thing
the taxi
is-
service.
Yeah.
Taxi service.
The thing is, when you fill out the form for FIB, it says you are expected to maintain strict role play. Do you
Yeah,
understand
Eternal-
that? What
yeah.
part of that did you not understand?
Wait, Eternal?
Dude, making a mistake and getting reported, which is as big as dude, keeping your gun out, dude. Literally every little gang member, even a fucking 20k ID knows that if a cop has a gun out, they can't you. dude.
That's true.
Stop.
Dude, we're not the fucking Bloods that will take strikes and we'll keep going on with it. We'll host
So
fucking car shows and
that's
we're getting enough strikes. That is.
Eternal.
We're not the fucking Bloods.
Okay.
We're a fucking
Eternal.
professional organization, dude. You need to understand the magnitude of that
Yeah, I
situation.
did.
Wait,
I
stop,
am
I'm
just
recording the
telling-
taxi. Wait.
Wait. I am just telling
no, give me a second.
that from
Yes,
last
stop.
2 days I am telling somebody to review my logs. So if I did some mistake, I could correct that. I am telling these guys. Nobody did that. And when today after pinging them so many times they did, they are firing me directly. Not even giving me
Man,
that
you
you
don't
did
got
this.
fired, you don't
This is-
putting gun in the log. You looked at the gun ammunition when you was fighting. When you was middle of fighting, you didn't say role
Like,
play
you
when
do
you were
not
arresting someone.
understand.
Hey, stop. I'm recording a taxi for you right now. We'll pick you up.
Stark, you do not
This
understand
guy-
the
Nah,
fact
we'll
that
be
if,
fine. No,
that
taxi
if somebody
will get
reported
taxi
you,
job.
Leave it.
if somebody
Leave it, man.
reported you, dude,
Eternal
you
leave.
have no fucking clue.
Okay.
Dude,
Let it
you
be.
have
Let
no
it be.
fucking
If you're
clue how it
joining
could
this
affect
server,
the
you're joining for a reason.
Let it
It
be.
affects
To
the
RP.
organization. You
Yeah,
need to
I'm
be,
doing
dude,
RP.
If
I'm
you
not
don't
doing
want to
anything
RP,
out of RP.
go play GTA Online. Go.
I'm not doing anything
Guys,
out
get
of RP.
Stark, that's just stupid, man.
What is stupid? If a senior won't review my logs and tell me what I'm doing wrong, how would I be?
Dude, do you not, dude, literally,
No,
it
walk
is
away,
it
walk
is
away,
literally the
walk away,
basics of
walk away,
FTPs.
Walk away, walk away, walk away, walk away.
Everybody's been told that shit.
Eternal.
You're just
Eternal,
dumb
walk
enough.
away.